Hey guys, today we will learn about how to review or how to get prepared so that you're comfortable enough to take the test on Monday for air pollution. Now, if you guys remember, air pollution is normally caused by a variety of pollutants that is either indoor or outdoor. And we learned about various factors that can cause air pollution. For example, air ducts or air vents, which is warmer and can house a lot of fungi and bacteria. We learned about CFCs or chlorofluorocarbons that are emitted normally by refrigerators that can cause air pollution, or even emissions from various vehicles that can lead to air pollution. And when smoke mixes with fog, we have something called smog. Again, not very healthy. And we also learned that air pollution can have short term and long term effects. In a short term, it can cause uneasiness in your body, it can cause infections, which might go away within a few days or a few weeks. But long-term effects can lead to bronchitis, which is a lung disease, and in extreme cases, also lung cancer. Smoking is another factor that actually leads to air pollution. And also has an adverse effect on our health. Now, when you're preparing for the test on Monday, my suggestion to you is to read through your guided notes that you took while you were watching this lecture or all the lectures previously this past week. Also, go over the activities that we did. So, for indoor air pollution activity that we did on Monday, we looked over different types of pollutants and their concentration in the atmosphere and what effects it has on humans. And then on Tuesday and on Wednesday, we actually looked at specific pollutants and we tried to understand how they can affect us and what are the long term causes or effects of having that pollutant in our environment. So do not forget to look over that, and also our independent practice activities where you guys had to answer a bunch of questions. So it's always good practice just to go over them, make sure you are comfortable with the content, and maybe even quiz yourself. Don't directly look at the answers, but maybe try to quiz yourself. Okay, so for example, I know that something causes air pollution. Now there are a variety of sources or variety of objects can lead to air pollution, and then look at the choices. Does one of these seem like an answer? So maybe just quiz yourself instead of directly looking at the answer. Maybe have someone, your friend or your siblings, quiz you instead. These are some good tips that I have for you to go ahead and practice so that you guys are comfortable enough with the content. Of course, you can also join our Zoom session where we will have an interactive practice on Thursday. And if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me. And I will see you guys later. Bye.